Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pidredla. Let's do your reading for the month of February 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Sagittarius. So this time I'm going to use a new deck called the Thought deck by Aleister Crowley, and I'm going to use a new method called the Golden Dawn spread. Okay, it consists of 15 cards and I'm going to go through along with you. So the first three cards I'm dealing right now is the situation. Now I'm moving on to your current path, then alternate path, psychological basis, and at last karma. So this is a cycle that I'll be repeating. So now I've drawn the cards. Let's do the face up right now and see what cards we have. So now the face up is done. Let's get into your reading, Sagittarius. So in the first center of the reading, you have the situation. Those three cards represent your situation. In the right top corner, you can see these three cards are your current path, what you are intended to go along your own will. In the left top corner, you have your alternate path, which you can alternately take with respect to your current path. In the bottom left corner, you have your psychological basis, meaning what is running in the background actually. These three cards will tell us. In the right bottom corner, you have your karma, meaning what are the lessons that you have to learn in this month. What are the experiences that you'll come across which you cannot untie or change. That is your karma. So let's get into the situation. You have a Princess of Cups. Surprisingly, all the three cards here is court cards, okay, which is Princess, Prince and Knight. These are called court cards in tarot, which represents a specific person in your life. Now I feel like you are the princess, sorry, you are the Prince of Swords. This is you, and the next two cards is along with it. In the side, you have Princess of Cups and Knight of Discs. This is not you. These two are not you. These two are specific people in your life other than you. So I feel like this is one of your family members. Both of them. Actually, both of them are your family members. Okay. So it can be that you have two siblings. There are chances, or you might be connecting with if you're already married, then you might be having two childrens. Okay, but this is you, Prince of Swords. You might be connecting with them. One is emotional, and they are very, very compassionate. They want to help others. They want to show the beauty of life. They're very creative, and they can communicate with animals also, because they have there is a lot of animals here. Okay, they can connect with them. They can connect with nature. Very emotional. The other one you are connecting with is which is disc, which is money. But Knight is the slowest moving card in tarot. So they are working towards money, but it is very, very slow. Okay, they are very slow moving, like the Knight of Discs, slowest card in tarot. So they are working on money mostly, but they are very, very slow. Okay, but these are the two people you are connecting with. Okay, mostly family, as I said. But in the middle you got Prince of Swords, which is you. So what energy you are representing here? Of course, you're moving, and you're also making other people move. As you can see, you have a sword over here, and you're making there are three people, which means it can be multiple people also. Usually there are three main people whom you're guiding and advising them to go after it. So Prince is actually Swords, which is mind. So you're guiding them, you're giving them advice, and you're making them move. So you're taking this mentorship and you're guiding them. You're like this guidance for them. So you're almost like a leader. As you can see, this is you over here, and these are three people who are actually listening to you, and you're guiding them. Okay, so that is what is happening. That is your that is your situation. So what is your current path? What you are intended to do along your own will? Let us see. You have Tower, your current path. So you are actually ready to take up any challenges right now. You feel like you have done this before, but you're not that afraid of taking up challenges as before. You are matured right now. You have mastered a lot of things. Now you feel like, I'm ready to face anything. I'm ready to take up challenges. This kind of realization, this personality you didn't have before, is what I'm seeing. And when you have that, you got science. Again, science represents knowledge, learning a lot of things. You might be into engineering field also. So, or you can be into anything related to science, mostly. Okay, mostly which is very modern. Okay, this is not ancient, this is very modern, is what I'm saying. So you might be into that modern technology. You got Priestess, same thing. When you get Science and Priestess, usually I've seen this a lot. When Science and Priestess come, it signifies knowledge. That's it. That's all it is. This is a confirmation. So what you're going to do is you're going to gain knowledge, but later on you're going to keep that knowledge with you itself. You don't want to share it to anyone. The hard experiences, whatever you had. Okay, you want to guide others, but whatever hard experiences you had, you will learn. You'll learn it much better, and this will improve a lot of knowledge to you. But what you're going to do is you're going to keep this as a secret. Like you feel like this is a secret knowledge, I have to not share it. So all these experiences which you have, usually it is quite painful, quite dramatic, quite stressful, but these will teach you good lessons in life. These things you will not teach other people. You will just remain like you have no problem. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. Either you feel like these are very precious, or you feel like you want to represent that you don't have any problems. It can be one of these two. I feel like mostly you want to represent like you don't have any problems. That's what I feel. You have your alternate path, which is an alternate path literally, which you can take with respect to your current path. If you don't like your current path, that is when your alternate path can be chosen, and that's what universe is suggesting. This is not the advice. If you ask me, your current path is actually fine, okay, but let's see what is your alternate path. Your alternate path is art. Okay, now this is what universe is suggesting. You might feel this is the same as your current path, but this is quite different. Okay, when this tower card came, I said you would like to face anything, even though it is tough situations, but whatever you think, you will attract. So if you are actually open to challenges, it is good, but you should not give room to that. You have to not have the intention towards that. Okay, you should not focus on that. You should not think about that. Okay, you have to be ready when it comes. Whenever anything tough situations come, that's when you have to feel and think or have a thought that you are open and you are ready, not when it is not there. It makes sense, right? So the universe is suggesting focus on creative work, focus on being more creative. Don't think about the challenging moments, don't think about what will come in the future. Think about the now. The power of now lies here at this present moment. So your thoughts will create your reality most of the time, because it's all vibrations from your mind. So universe is suggesting you to be more creative. You're in the positive vibration, but you are mainly focused on what will happen in the future with regards to your challenging moments. So you have to be more creative, focus on creative things. So have your mind and intention towards creative field, your art. You can be into art, okay, any kind of art, dancing, painting, any kind of art. Usually I feel like it is making use of multiple things and to create a single thing. That is what you're doing. Queen of Wands, alternate path. After art, you have Queen of Wands, which is also creative. So you can imagine that you are already creative. Okay, do creative things. Think about being more creative and feel that you're more creative. This is the alternate path. Now, once you do that, once you feel like you are the Queen of Wands, once you have the feeling that you are more creative, you will be more happy, and you will get this comfort in your life. This pleasure can be compliments, or it can be just internal pleasure. Okay, just this comfort, this fulfillment you'll have once you do that. So that is the alternate path. Let's look at psychological basis, what is actually running in the background for you. You have Empress, which is a major arcana, and what is running in the background is automatically, once we talked about this creative thing, right, there is some sense of course there is wands, there is some fiery, because it is something unknown. Once you talk about creative things, there is something which is unknown, and because of this unknown, there is this wands, the fiery starts to come up. But if you look closely, the passion is there, the movement is there, but to sustain that, and move forward, there should be water, there should be empress. Once that fiery becomes more, you have to put your emotions to calm the fire down. So you have to have these emotions, you have to have the water. That's when Empress card comes up. So there is fire in here, and in the background there is water. That is the psychological basis, the background. So creative work in the front, in the background there is Empress, there is water. So whenever fire becomes more, that's when Empress comes and slows the fire down and calms the fire down. So that is what is happening in the background with the Empress. Lot of feeling good also, Empress card, just feeling good, feeling that you are someone who is special, right? If you feel that way, that's what will happen in the background. You'll become the Empress, you'll become the star. Star represents being rare, something which is rare and very shiny, very bright, and something which is gaining that attention, okay, and even popularity, okay. So all these things are happening. When I get star and pleasure, you'll be getting compliments if you take the alternate path, for sure. You get wealth, that's what will happen in the background. So this is what is happening in the background, okay. So this is something which is preparing for the manifestation. It has not happened, but these are energies that is being prepared for your manifestation. Wealth, okay, wealth will also come. So these are the things at your psychological background. So yeah, creative work. If you do creative work, if you think that you are more creative, these are the things will happen. Compliments, you feel good about yourself, you feel like you have this very divine talent which is rare. You can make wealth also, okay. You can become wealthy if you feel that way. That is your alternate path, but you are not in that, but you are actually manifesting that in a way you're actually manifesting it. So which is actually, I feel like you will, I think your current path is trying to change, is what I am feeling, because this is what is happening in the background. So even your current path is trying to change, is what I feel. So let us see, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, let's look at your karma right now. Your karma is Sun. Beautiful card, one of the most beautiful cards. It actually brightens up a lot, especially coming in the karma, brightens up a lot. Your karma is to be happy, that's all it is. Your karma is to be happy and be joyful, connect with that childish nature a little bit, and just explore life, explore things that you haven't experienced before, that you wished you had to experience. You'll be experiencing right now. Whatever you feel like you have missed in the past, you will experience right now, okay. So that is your karma. You'll become more happier. Lovers card, yeah, connections with family will be good in the month of February. Lovers card, you'll get together with your loved one, and you can make more friends, more connections, more network circles also will increase. Since you are very happy, people will see your happiness and they want to be happy, so they will automatically come to your life and they want to share that happiness with you. And yeah, you're going to make other people also happy with the Lovers card in the month of February. You got Princess of Wands. So people feel that you have this sense of a laughter, sense of humor, sense of laughter in you. So they actually admire you. So this is what is happening in the background. Getting close with your family members, getting close with the people you already know, and even making new connections who are actually feeling very, very happy to connect with you, to explore what you have to offer, all the sides that you have, all the, you know, all the talents that you have, and also just really experience how you are experiencing life. And they want to experience, they want to actually feel what you are feeling. So actually very very good, your reading is very very good. And yeah, that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Amazing reading, something which is very special. And of course there is fiery sign over here, Queen of Wands, because you're Sagittarius. Very very good, you're not losing that essence, but that is your alternate path. Okay, that is your alternate path, but still you're getting that karma where you have Sun, which is very fiery. So you get my point. There is Princess of Wands, which is also fiery. Good, very good. A lot of major arcanas. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your current path, all 3. You got 6. Even alternate path also will see. Okay. So okay, this is Swords, right? Let me see. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. There is 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 major arcanas out of 15. That's a lot. So this is a major month for you, February, especially you know, connecting with family. Something very special is happening and very major, because you got we got all 3 code cards. It doesn't happen usually in this situation. So getting together, as I said, a lot of beautiful journey. February is going to be very beautiful for you. You're going to get a lot of knowledge also from here. That's all I have for you, Sagittarius. And if you like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed or new to my channel, please subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below how you feel about this new reading. If you have stayed for this channel for a while, how this new approach and new method has worked out for you. Let me know in the comments down below. And I would love to hear from you guys. If you like to get a personal reading from me, you can check out this poster. I do tarot readings, I do astrological readings, life coaching and daily readings. All the price ranges are mentioned respectively, and you can find my contact details in my poster as well. Thank you guys for so much support, and thanks for watching. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.